SAE 3420 Assurance Engagements to report on the compilation of pro forma financial information included in a prospectus. This is specifically for prospectus. Meaning of pro forma financial information: it refers to financial information shown together with adjustments to illustrate the impact of an event or transaction, significant one, on unadjusted financial information, as if the event had occurred or transaction has been undertaken at an earlier date selected for the purpose of illustration. Generally, pro forma financial information is included in prospectus, that is, offer document. It is the responsibility of management, also termed as responsible party here, to gather, classify, summarize, and present pro forma financial information. Steps to prepare pro forma financial information: identify the source of unadjusted financial information and extract the unadjusted financial information. Make pro forma adjustments to these unadjusted financial information. Present the resulting pro forma financial information. These were the steps. Fourth is important for MCQ. Practitioner is not responsible to compile the pro forma financial information. His sole responsibility is to report that whether pro forma financial information has been complied in all material respects by responsible party on the basis of applicable criteria. Steps involved in 3402 engagement. 3420 engagement, Steps involved in 3420 engagement. First, engagement acceptance. Whether applicable criteria is established by law or regulation or developed by responsible party. Competence and capability of practitioner. Prima facie whether applicable criteria leads to misleading pro forma financial information. Whether sources of unadjusted financial information or acquiree or divestee financial information includes audited or reviewed reports. Sometimes these reports may be modified or may include EOM para. Sometimes unadjusted financial information or acquiree entities' financial information may be either unaudited or may not have been subject to audit or review ever. In such scenarios, practitioners should be careful before accepting engagement terms. Second, planning and performing the engagement. Whether applicable criteria is suitable, determine materiality on the basis of practitioner's judgment, understand how responsible party has compiled. Example, they may take help of accounting expert. Whether the source of unadjusted financial information is appropriate, obtain evidences about appropriateness of pro forma adjustments. Example, whether significant event or transaction adjusted to unadjusted financial information is consistent with applicable FRF and results into fair illustration. Obtain written representation from responsible party that they have compiled the pro forma financial information on the basis of applicable criteria. Reporting on pro forma financial information. Elements of assurance report. Title, addressee, introductory paragraph. Identifying pro forma financial information. Mention the period covered or the date. Reference to applicable criteria used for compilation. A statement about responsibility of responsible party. Practitioner's responsibility to express an opinion, not responsible for updating or reissuing any report or opinion on historical financial information. Therefore, it is clearly stated that practitioner has not audited or reviewed historical financial information used for compilation. A statement was performed in accordance with SAE 3420, a statement that practitioner has performed appropriate procedures to obtain reasonable assurance that pro forma adjustments gives appropriate effect to the relevant criteria and the final pro forma financial information reflects proper application of these pro forma adjustments to unadjusted financial information. In the opinion para, practitioner may use any of the following phrases. Pro forma financial information has been complied on the basis of applicable criteria, or pro forma financial information has been properly complied on the basis stated. And last is date, place, signature. Opinion. If unmodified opinion is given, practitioner shall express unmodified opinion where practitioner concludes that PFFI has been compiled by responsible party on the basis of applicable criteria. Modified opinion. If law or regulation permits publication of prospectus containing modified opinion regarding PFFI and practitioner determines that modified opinion is appropriate, he shall issue modified opinion. If law or regulation does not permit publication of prospectus containing modified opinion regarding PFFI, practitioner should discuss the matter with responsible party. If responsible party does not make necessary changes, practitioner shall withdraw from engagement or take legal advice.